You already know where we are. Yep. Here it is. All right, here we go. There's the W. That one thinks we're on 45. That one thinks we're on 44, still going up. So these are definitely on their original logic still, no doubt about that. I don't want that one, we just took it. Go ahead, close up. Do your thing. There that goes. Elevator B. Oh, we get the one right next to it instead. Wow, what a different view. Here's just a random sign for a circle. Don't know what that is.
Floor 45.
All right.
Door 1.
Incredible. This elevator's probably going up, so we'll let it do its thing. Oh yeah. We all know these. Elevator M, we got a non-glass one, nice. This one has a camera in it. Oh, sorry.
You got them all worked out, I think. How about you? Just that one puddle.
Take care. Looks like, of course, we all know and love these elevators here. We're gonna wait for some people to get out. Back to the other side. Let's see which one's gonna open here. Sorry.
Not gonna finish. He's crunched.
Marquis said my dad is naked. Do not
Is he
recommend.
for real right now? You said that a while ago.
Yeah, but like.
Wait, that's all came?
Yeah, that was one.
No, he isn't. I did a stretching pose yesterday. Wait, he needs to give us proof. Oh! I'm joking.
Yeah, we
That's like
know.
grown man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I think it's his. Ow, man!
Elevator A. Anyway, we're getting A yet again. Did you mean to get off at 40? Yeah, it's 31.
Thank you.
Yeah, no,
I
it still
keep
said
doing
40.
that. Been here 4 days and I keep doing that.
That's
I don't pay attention. I'm thinking of other stuff.
how it goes. That's how it goes.
Time to go.
I'm just getting video. These are neat.
Oh yeah, cool.
Door 40.
Have a good day.
You too. Lily.
What an incredible view.
Door 45.
We were at the top, floor 45. Now, I wanna, oh, hello. Oh, you got the special mode going? All right. Let's go to floor 23. Oh, I'll wait. That one's going to 23. There he goes. We'll watch. Now let's go to 23. Oh, elevator B. Maybe if we do it again, it'll give us a different one. So look, you choose your categories. See, there's the sections. You choose 23, 29, 23, and now it's still giving us car B. Damn, it's really liking cars A, B, and M today. All right.
Car B doors open.
All right.
Car B doors
We'll watch out this side again. Here comes another elevator. And there it goes.
Door 23.
We are already here at 23. We just went 23 floors that fast. Pretty neat. You're good. see the windows as they go by. And we're gonna let that one go. There that one goes, and watch, it's gonna go down or up, who knows? Down. Looks like those two are above us. And here comes this one. We're gonna perhaps see it go by. Just kidding. It stopped. All right, we're gonna go to 45 and I'll show you a neat view up there. D, that's a new one. We get to watch it come down. Oh, that's cool. Here comes D. That's awesome. All right. Oh, we get a little bit of a better view here with car D.
Door 45.
Neat. There's that one. If we go out here, we can go in the corner and get a really neat view. Who's this guy playing with the elevators?
How to get in the interior.
Oh, yeah, I keep getting M now and then. Look at that. We're gonna watch out this window here. Oh, there's one elevator. I'll watch that one go, because why not? Here we go. There we go. That's a good shot. There it goes down through the express zone. And then there goes that one as well. Now just wait. The views get even better if you go to this corner here. Oh, there goes one up to the restaurant level. Look, you can see, I believe that's the governor going up there. There goes that car. You can see whatever that thing is slowing down and stopping. I believe that's the governor there. But then again, I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, oh, there comes that one. And then here comes car B as well. Anyway, that's it.